So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin right now looks like following some of the most bearish scenario for the upcoming days. A scenario which is pointing us the price could be hitting below 90,000 to test some of the most important support, and only after that choose an actual trend duration. Yes, guys, looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, we are being flashed with some very interesting move which we are going to talk in this video. But first thing first, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this on the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, what I want you guys to do is to look at this rising wedge, a rising wedge with a false breakout. And according to this bearish continuation pattern, our expectation is somewhere, the bearish price objective sits in between 85,000. This is the area where we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted, find bottom, and only after that start with an actual bullish continuation. Because to the downside, the RSI was clearly flashing us a bearish divergence, while the price of Bitcoin was in an uptrend. RSI to the downside was flashing us a warning sign, and since then you can see after this warning sign, the price of Bitcoin has also started to show a reversal. Beside the RSI, we also have this MACD, which was flashing us a bearish crossover. And now what we are waiting is a proper confirmation from RSI, MACD before expecting a U-shape or a V-shape type of recovery here in this manner. We want to see this RSI clearly appearing around the oversold area, and we also want to see this MACD forming a bullish cross like this. So if we see that happening, that is the time when we know the price of Bitcoin could be making a U-shape or a V-shape type of recovery. But until then, as soon as the support in between 90,000 and 95,000 gets broken, the price of Bitcoin is expected to hit to the downside. Not just only that, even with the help of this distribution schematic from Wyckoff's event and phases. Yesterday, day before yesterday, when the price of Bitcoin had a very bullish move, but all of a sudden price started free falling. Why? Because according to distribution pattern, you can see this previous resistance was being retested, but it rejected us. Yes, guys, this blue line previously acted as a resistance line, rejected us again, and since then we are free falling. So according to this distribution schematic from Wyckoff's event and phases, as soon as the lower trendline support, which you have around 95,000 gets broken, Bitcoin is expected to head to the downside. In that case, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show a move here like this. Bitcoin getting attracted in between 85,000 before choosing an actual trend duration. And now, beside this bearish continuation pattern from Wyckoff, beside this rising wedge, even the Williams alligator indicator is flashing us a warning sign. You can see during uptrend, I've been very clear with you guys, during uptrend, the green line always starts appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom. You can see whenever we have seen that happening, it has resulted in some very bullish move. But when you see a move like this, blue line at the top and green line at the bottom, that is a sign of weakness, which also resulted in a bearish move. So if you look in our case, this was clearly a bullish cross, but now we are seeing a coiling up from this Williams alligator indicator, which indicates incoming volatility. Yes, guys, this crossover, if we see this green line appearing at the bottom, blue line at the top like this, right, green line at the bottom, then we know that this here is going to result in another continuation like this. This crossover will be looked as a bearish crossover, which could be resulting in a continuation here to the downside, because parallelly, even this descending broadening wedge, which was normally considered bullish, failed to regain its trend above 100,000. I showed you guys with so many different examples. If you want to invalidate this bearishness, then we have to find support above 100,000, because that's also the resistance from this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, invalidating the dead cat bounce type of formation. But if you look at it right now, you can see we failed to find support above 100,000, which resulted in a bearish continuation. So even according to this descending broadening wedge, which was supposed to break to the upside, you can see things are turning out into a false breakout, which could be preparing itself for another continuation here like this. So you can see, looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, Bitcoin remaining below 100,000 means we could be heading lower to test some of the key line of support, and only after that make a U-shape or a V-shape type of recovery. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that Bitcoin has strong support above 90,000. The best case for now will be simply remaining above 90,000, because as soon as the support which you have around 90,000 gets broken, you can see in that case we are going to break the most important support. This is the support from our leading indicator, which is around 91,900. So as soon as the 90,000 support gets broken, the price of Bitcoin in that case could be heading towards the central CPI line, which is around 87,500, and could go even lower to test the bottom CPI line, which is around 83,100. So this is the reason why 90,000 support must remain to invalidate this bearish continuation. But for now, we are aware we have the support above 90,000. We have the support from this top CPI line. We have the support from CryptoAnup buy sell indicator. I mean, during uptrend, our indicator tends to act as support. Each and every pullback was a buying opportunity, which later on resulted in some very bullish moves. So if we want to see another continuation like this happening, a double bottom type of scenario, then you can see we have to remain above this indicator. I mean, we have to remain above 90,000. And beside this example, we also have the support from this volume profile. Yes, guys, around 95,000, we had a lot of activities. So this volume profile also tends to act as support because we are above it. So if you want to invalidate this bearish move, then the price of Bitcoin is not allowed to break below 90,000. Remaining above 90,000 means we are going to look this as a continuation pattern. Price, after testing some key line of area, could be preparing itself for a U-shape or a V-shape type of recovery, and parallelly the price will also start showing a move to the upside. I mean, a move around this upper band. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that remaining over 90,000 means the price of Bitcoin still has potential to head higher. But as soon as the support on 90,000 gets broken, you can see the bottom CPI line, central CPI line, will be attracting us, which could bring the price of Bitcoin around 80 to 85,000. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please guys, please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and let's try to reach at least 1,000 like in this video, because video like this takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy. So if you appreciate what I'm doing, if you like this kind of content, then definitely destroy that like button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.